Okay, so first you have to open App Store. Here you have to search for GarageBand. Download it. After downloading the app, you have to click on Open. Now you have to click on Audio Recorder. In Audio Recorder, you have to turn off the blue icon which is present after recording button. Now you have to click on the break icon. Later you have to click on the icon which is then you have to click on Files gear icon. Then click on Browse. And from here you have to choose the song which you want to set for your ringtone. Drag song to the timeline. Then click on the lower arrow, then click on My Songs. Now you have to click on Browse. Hold the save file and you have to click on Share. Then you have to click on Ringtone. Then give it a name. And click on Export. You have to click on OK. Then you have to click on Settings. Then click on Sound and Haptics. Then click on Ringtone. As you can see, the ringtone is saved with Test Ringtone.
चेक कर बेहद चेक कर